Hello, just wanted to say hello and what sold this weekend, a lot of sales this weekend. There was maybe the stimulus check payments that came out, so that maybe caused a lot more full price sales. I'm selling these Zara items and I wanted to show you the different items that are trendy and stylish that sells for pretty good profit margins in my store. So this pants, I have also the top in my store, as well as I bought multiple of these orange kind of pants with the little palm trees. This dress, I also have multiples of this still available. Whenever I get something I think that is a really good price range, I will buy multiples that sold on my Poshmark. This was a Joanne Ortiz HM collab, and this was size large. I have extra small available still in my store. This dress was worn by many popular bloggers. It's a pink dress. So right when I saw it in being on sale, I just went ahead and grabbed it. And it's like this dress right here, sold on Poshmark. This dress sold on Mercari for full price, like $89. I still have many of these available on Mercari. I try to sell on many platforms so that you could get more profit margins and higher profits and different sales in different platforms. This blouse, extra small, sold on Poshmark. This one skirt, I have extra small and small available. It's sequins with a tie on the waist. This top, I have one more available, size small, and is in my store. This one sold, it was medium. This kind of runs big, so it's kind of stretchy. I paid $15.99. Normally I pay like around $9.99 to $17. This top sold on Poshmark for $89. That's really great price. And I just want to share is that I get some customers that buy multiple items from me, so that's why that they pay a good price point and they keep buying more the full price items from me because they just want to like support my business and things like that. This dress, I have multiples of this, medium, extra large, large, and this was worn by at least like 5 different fashion bloggers, so that's why I knew that it would sell well, so I bought multiples of that. This one sold on Poshmark, and this also sold for $89, so it was a really good price that these customers are paying. If you price them high, you never know who's gonna pay full price and who's not. This jacket sold also on Poshmark, extra large. I have one that's small that's similar like that. These jackets were flying off the shelves when they were selling at H&M. This skirt I sold on eBay, and I also have one more available, large. The fashion blogger that wore this just made it look so beautiful, and I just knew that it would sell because of the fact that the fashion blogger made it look really pretty. This top that I'm wearing, I actually sold one on eBay, size large. I have also the bottoms as well as more tops that are size medium, and they're just super comfortable. Like right now we're in a global pandemic and people just want to like not be all fancy, right? So there's a lot of those kind of things that are selling. And then there's this legging that sold, size large. This one sold on Poshmark, and I also have the top as well as the silver sequins top. People like this like kind of John Travolta flared legging style, and most of these items sold for over $50 or more, so I'm really glad that they sold for such a high profit. And this dress was H&M, and it retailed at $49, and this conscious line was just really popular. A lot of people liked it, and so it just sold for a really good price, and that was on Poshmark. So that was Mercari, eBay, and majority of Poshmark that sold. There's some things that I do to completely get more sales consistently is I'll relist the older items, like anywhere from 10 to 50 items daily. Every day I will look at all the solds for my Poshmark as well as the Poshmark store in general for Zara items that sold. I've done that every day for 3 years. I also make sure that I make a post on my Instagram as well as my TikTok on what sold and what is available, so that it would be exposed to more people to bring in more customers in my store. And I get like almost 1 million impressions a week on my store just on Instagram alone. So that's why it brings in a lot of outside customers outside of just the normal platforms. So I highly suggest that you do that. Another tip that I can give you is when the sales are going on, to relist the older items so that it looks like you're getting items that other people cannot get their hands on, and making sure that you also list on multiple platforms. Make sure that you're not just on one platform, that you're using something like Venduco to list on multiple platforms. I'll put the link in my bio for that. It's just much more easier to just press relist on Venduco when you relisting items, as opposed to relisting it completely from scratch and copying it and then, changing it out, whatever. It's just much more faster to do that way. And so those are some of the tricks that I consistently do on a daily basis to get these kind of sales. I post also sometimes my hauls in my Facebook groups. I have like 400 followers on my Facebook Bunch of Styles Christian reseller group, and I'll also link that in my bio. And it's just important to like try to not just sell from those platforms, but also to bring customers from audiences outside of the normal platforms, so that you could bring in more customers. And you can also make sure that you use the proper hashtags. So like, I think a lot of resellers will put hashtags like thrifted or bins or Salvation Army or Goodwill, but those are going to attract those customers that are looking for those kind of, like that kind of clientele. But if you're putting things like hashtag Insta Shop or Shop My Closet or designer finds or shop now or fashion finds, then it will attract more like those fashion oriented customers, as well as maybe like people that have the price point for designer prices. And I noticed that a lot of people are making that same mistake, is to always just attract other resellers instead of trying to attract more customers that are outside of the community of reselling. And so if you just even make that tweak alone, that should also bring in more traffic. But I think that a lot of people don't realize is that like I have over 100 followers on each of my selling platforms. So if you're a new seller and you're following me, or you're in my academy, you're not getting many sales, don't worry. Just make sure that you focus on your growth, build your audience, build your customer base, that you're always listing and relisting items and keeping your store very active, that you're buying the more on-trend in-season items, as opposed to like something that you could just have bought for $7.99, and make sure that it's something that is sought after, so that other people are purposely searching to look for those items, and they're gonna sell faster because maybe somebody who's very popular wore them, and now an influx of people are searching for that item because their idol was wearing it. So make sure that you do that. And these are some tips and tricks. Just be patient with the process. You usually sell anywhere from 10 to 15% of your inventory. So if you only have like 10 items, that's like what, and also to know that you have to build your store, have a lot of items, get in demand items, and start to try to attract customers to buy your items as well. So I hope this helps anybody out there that's kind of struggling with sales right now. It took me at least 3 years to get to where I'm at, and I'm not like just this overnight sensation. So I just want you to know that it takes time, but just keep doing your everyday sales activities to bring in those sales, and you will grow and you will get there. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to see like more daily stories and what's going on, my Bunch of Style Instagram, I'm always posting my stories every day and also giving insights and advice, and I'll also link that in the bio. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're doing well. Make sure that you're listing your dead pile this week because of the stimulus checks, and make sure that you're always cross listing everything, and making sure that you check the sold prices so that you're selling things pretty reasonable. Okay, and please like and subscribe and share this my Bunch of Styles Academy, the price is going to go up April 1st, anywhere from $200 to $3,500. So right now it's pre-sale, and it's going to be very much raised after the pre-sale price. So April 1st, the prices will rise, and I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.